Hello, my dear friends. After a long time, I wish to perform a small mimicry show today, mimicry of sounds. Actually, my passion was mimicry. Somehow, I used to perform in the music shows, and that's how I started slowly singing. But my main passion was mimicry, and I don't want to forget that talent. So just trying to revise today, and for your entertainment, and for your happy weekend. A small atom for you, mimicry of sounds by Mahesh. Friends, in our everyday life, we hear a lot of sounds, but some sounds are very special, which click to our brain immediately. Particularly in winter days, if you want to start your car or you find somebody starting the car, having a problem with the battery and car is not starting, how it will sound? Here it is. I'm sure you always experience this. Now, when you go to watch motocross race for motorcycles, high-powered motorcycles, of course, with high rating, even on TV you watch. Now, motorcycles come, go, very, very high speed, and they make a special noise, particular noise. So, think you are at the motocross rally, you are standing, motorcycles are moving, and how it will sound? You are at motocross only now. Have you thought of it? Some special sounds do come from the tires of the vehicles if you are standing on the highway. Suppose you are going somewhere out of town, somewhere you stop for having some snacks, tea, coffee. You are standing on the roadside stall, and on the highway vehicles are moving, passing. Truck, bus, cars. As they come and go, they are at very high speed. So there is a lot of friction between the road and the tires. And that gives a typical noise, a sound, as it comes and goes and diffuses. So consider yourself standing on the roadside, on the highway, and vehicles are coming and going, and how it sounds. I'm sure you must have experienced this any time in your life. Now, friends, my favorite small item. If you are traveling by railway, particularly in India, railway has got a very big network. God bless. And I was a big fan of railways. I miss railway for a long time, since Zambia for last 30 years. But whenever I get chance, I do travel by railway. And I enjoy the special sounds at very particular stages. Suppose the railway is leaving, the train is leaving the station. There is an announcement. And as all of you know, particularly in India or anywhere, the announcement can never be heard clearly. So our train is leaving now from Pune to Mumbai. Announcement is going on. You try to identify which train is that one and where is it going.
Ding dong. प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 1 से जाने वाली गाड़ी पुणे से मुंबई डेक्कन क्वीन एक्सप्रेस है। पुणे से दादर से मुंबई जाएगी। प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 1 ट्रेन गोइंग टू पुणे बॉम्बे डेक्कन क्वीन एक्सप्रेस फ्रॉम प्लेटफॉर्म दादर बॉम्बे ऑल पैसेंजर के 10 ट्रेन 45 ऑल प्रीपेड। थैंक यू।
सिर्फ थैंक यू सुनाई दिया मुझको।
प्लॅटफॉर्म क्रमांक 1 वरून जाणारी गाडी पुण्याहून मुंबईला जाणारी डेक्कन क्वीन एक्सप्रेस आहे। ही पुण्याहून लोणावळा, लोणावळ्याहून दादरला जाईल। धन्यवाद।
Now let's sit in the train and enjoy the sounds. Train moving slowly as it's taking the speed. And in this speed, it will change the track. Now, at this slow speed, the train will go over a bridge. Now, when it moves over the bridge, it gives a typical sound because there is too much emptiness between the two rails and the bridge and the water. So there is air resonance. It creates a typical sound. Let's have it. Now, train at speed, how it will move, how it will sound. Now, at the same high speed, again, if the train goes over the bridge, it will sound differently, a bit faster. Now, the train is passing from opposite side, another train from another track is moving in opposite direction. It will give a typical sound. Consider your train is standstill and a train is coming from opposite side. It will sound like this. Again you stand still. Again another train comes from opposite side. But this time it's not a passenger train. It's a goods train. Goods train. Goods train has not got long bogies. They have small bogies. So as they pass, there is a typical sound which comes. And as you always know, goods train move at very high speed. So also it gives a very typical sound of the bogies as they bounce, as they pass by. The railway track sound is very typical. So goods train is passing in opposite direction. Now, train is moving, and if you go inside the toilet in the train, it sounds totally different, because now new trains have got commodes, but old trains have got toilets which are open. There is an opening at the bottom for the water to go out. So because of that, it gives a typical sound. If you go inside the toilet in a moving train, sounds totally different than how it is outside and how it is inside the toilet. Just experience the transition. Now train is moving at speed, then we'll go inside the toilet, it will change the sound. Now we are going inside the toilet. Again you come up. These are typical sounds of train should always experience. That is really enjoyable. Next time you move in a train, please remember these sounds and tell me how it sounds. So my friends, that's enough for today. I will come back again with some new mimicry items. But as I said, I don't want to forget this art, a bit of small skill of mimicry in me. Songs will continue, but mimicry also will pop in between. For today, signing off from here. Have a nice weekend. Goodbye.